All right, everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you guys how to use your bulk honey and reuse your containers. I got this at a farmer's market, amber honey. I've had it for going on 3 years now. And I bought this at a farmer's market for 60 bucks. So it pays to have bulk honey. The reason why I bought this though was to use it to make poultices with. So it's not just for eating, I also use it to make poultices with, and then I just buy extra honey as I go, usually by the pint or in these containers here from Costco. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how to use this. Instead of using a honey dipper, we are going to use a ladle. Let's go. So I do recommend using a honey dipper just because the ladle can be kind of tricky, but we can get it into the opening and we can go from there. So I typically let it kind of run off a little bit, and then you just got to be quick on the gun to bring it over to the funnel. This might take a minute. So the next, we're going to go ahead and pour this sucker. All right, come on. All right, got it over. And then you just let it go down into the funnel, like so. And then it just gives you that steady pour. And this is what you'll be doing for the next couple of minutes, just letting it pour. It does kind of get tedious. You just let it drain. And then you just repeat the process until you get your containers full. Okay, guys, that's it for the video. If you are just finding me on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And I'll see you guys in the next one.